can change your life and make you millionaire. Number one is the Almanac. Number two is the richest man in Babylon. Number two is the $100 startup. Number four is losing my virginity. Number five, millionaires fast lane. Number six, rich dad poor dad. Number seven, the 10x rule. Number eight, 4 hours works week. Number nine, how to win friends and influence others. Number 10, the total money makeover. Number 11, atomic habits. Number 12, the E myth revisited. Number 13, the learning startup. Number 14, the hard things about hard things. Number 15, money master the game. I would recommend also other books which are Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hills, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. I think these are the top two books which can make your life a very successful in every way. You can easily have your financial freedom also by reading these books and practice the points and rules which are written in these books. You can easily obtain these books in PDF format by googling on the net, and you can easily buy these books also, whichever you like. I would recommend that you read these books and suggest these books to your family and friends and kids also, so that your kids and others kids can also make their life a very successful life in every way. Thanks.